everybody, it's Terri from CreateScrapbooks.com, and I have Paper Posies February 2013 kit that I thought I'd show you guys. I just took photographs for their website. I'm their webmaster, and so I thought I'd show, what's in my kit. There are a couple things that are missing due to some manufacturer delays and things like that that'll be in the kit, but they're just not in mine because I get it a little bit early. So lucky me, right? Yay! So let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so it looks like we have some basic gray Lucille chiffon flowers. They're really pretty blue. And Secret Crush paper goods from Pink Paisley. And there are a lot of different designs in here. I'll just go ahead and go through a couple here. I always love these little packs of die cuts, and you never can see all of them, I think, on the website, which is one of the problems with buying even a package from, doesn't matter if it's from Paper Posies or from 2Ps or something like that, you just can never find an image of all of the goodies that you get in it. So, Amore, I love you so much. The above message is for your eyes only. Free love test. Love notes. That's cool. Love that. Journaling cards. Heart. Hearts in love. Drive-in theater. XOXO hugs and kisses. You are my favorite forever. Bunch of cool arrows that are totally trendy right now, and some hearts. So, love that. Try to get all of these over to the side. You get an L Studios You and Me little snippets labels. Rhinestones from Cleaning Company, pretty in pink. And some fun True Love basic gray designer chipboard stickers. It really looks like there's a ton in here. Nice font. The best things in life. Trendy tape from Queen and Company. Ooh, fun. If I can find the end, I will show you guys. Cool, cool. Let's get a whole roll of that. And basic gray alphabet stickers. They're called Micro Mono Alphabets in gray. And then the papers. Pink Paisley Secret Crush Endless Love. It says, love, crush, sweetheart, you are cute, kiss me. There's the back. Fun little detail on the side there. This one is El Studio. Love that they're making paper now. Love says, obviously, chalkboard. That's cool. And that's the B side. Basic gray, True Love, Secret Admirer. Again, those trendy arrows in the back. El Studio, You and Me, Lovely Stripes. Love You to Pieces, Love of Love. Love You to the Moon and Back. Secret Crush Heartbeat Pink Paisley. Basic Gray True Love Giddy. Basic Gray True Love Vintage Love. Pink Paisley Secret Crush Love Notes. Basic Gray True Love Dedicated. And then you get card stocks from Basil. They're called Star Mist, Romance, Smoky, and White. And you get 2 of each. Obviously, they coordinate great with the papers that you received in the kit. So take a look at paperposies.com if you want to see some closer pictures. The design team always does a fabulous job on creating with this kit. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.